Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add documents outline in Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google Docs on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one document that you want to add the outline. Next, tap onto the text and select it. Now choose more than that text to add the headlines to, just like this. Then tap onto the A button. Now here you can see the style, simply tap on it. Now here you can find different kinds of headers. Now choose one that you want to add. Then tap onto the three dot lines and select document outline. Now here you can see the document outline has been added to your documents. And that's it. This is how you can add the document outlines in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.